Annoying hiccup? Here are 3 hacks that actually work. First hack, grab a glass of cold water, sip on it but don't swallow just yet, plug in your ears with your fingers and then swallow, and make sure you drink the entire glass. Second hack, you're going to hold your breath and swallow 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And exhale. So third hack is called a sugar shock. You want to grab a tablespoon of sugar and eat. I know. Hey, diabetics, don't try this, okay? And that should do the trick. Still hiccuping? You might just have to wait this one out. Or if you persist, call your doctor for more.